Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just right click on our taskbar and then just open up Task Manager. Then just expand this. And from here, every single Chrome you find, just right click on it and click on End Task. Every single thing related to Google and Google Chrome, just right click on it and click on End Task. Then just close this. After that, what you have to do is just go to search, then type Chrome here, just right click on it and click on open file location. Then you'll find Chrome here, just right click on it again and then just click on open file location once again. And then you'll find Google Chrome here. Just rename this Google Chrome to Google Chrome 1 or whatever. Hit enter. Then try opening it and it should work. And if that didn't work for you, just rename the thing to chrome.exe again and close all this. Then the last resort is just open another browser, for example Microsoft Edge. In here type download Chrome. You would have to reinstall Google Chrome, so just search download Chrome and then just go to the website, wait for it to load, and after it loads just click on download Chrome and download Chrome from the beginning and install it, and that should definitely work for you. And that is how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.